Hello students, have you completed your 10th standard and above and you have keen interest in establishing your career in hospitality sector, but you're not aware as to which country with minimum cost will give you an entry to have an internship with fully paid and give you a career growth. Malaysia is one such country which helps you for a certified food and beverage course which is of 24 months where you will study only for the first 3 months and the remaining 21 months you will be getting internship of about 1300 ringgits including your food and accommodation. Now the course fees for the entire program of 2 years is only 4 lakhs. That's about 20,000 ringgits. So if you're in the age group of 18 to 35, you're eligible for this program. So if in case you're willing to proceed for your education in food and beverage industry, kindly contact us Victory Overseas for your future. Thank you.